You are going to love the 2023 Wagoneer. The Jeep Wagoneer was the first 4x4 luxury truck offered. The Wagoneer was an SUV before the acronyms even existed. This 4x4 was designed with a revolutionary engine that allowed it to have power steering and an automatic transmission years before competitors could do the same. But it was the luxury that set this 4x4 apart. So if you want comfort, reliability, and outstanding ability, the Jeep Wagoneer is waiting for you. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, smart device integration, trip computer, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, cargo net, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals, compass. Come see the car for yourself.